Website migrations and website launches all share the process of taking a website from one location or server to another, whether to improve its functions or give it a brand new look. Both processes also involve a careful review of the website and step-by-step checklists to make sure the site is functional before publicly accessible. Reasons for migrations can include changing the current server due to frequent downtime, poor customer support on that web host, or a need for advanced features on a specific hosting plan. You may also need to migrate a website to change the website structure or optimize for mobile. When it comes to launching a website, you need to know how to build for launch, so you don't run into issues of missing copy, tracking down final payment, or endless change requests. In this course, we'll discuss preparing to migrate and what you need to think about to move to a new hosting server. Then we'll discuss how building a website can affect how it is launched, saving you from scrambling at the end of your builds. Then, in Lesson 4 and 5, we'll explore the processes for quality assurance testing and taking a website live. In Lesson 6, learn the challenges of migrating e-commerce websites and the nuances of databases with customer info. Lastly, in Lesson 7, we'll discuss offboarding as part of a successful migration or launch. Migrations and launches are heavily dependent on rock-solid processes. In the following lessons, take what you need to perfect your own processes for your business.